happy anniversary, The Rap. More years to come and keep it up. Okay. Congratulations. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, The Rap. God bless you and more power.
Happy anniversary to 23, The Rap. Pinabati ko ang The Rap ng happy anniversary. More sikat na mga kabarkada, always tune in to The Rap.
Para po sa next category natin, ito na ang mga nominado for Barkada Choice OPM Artist of the Year.
Choice OPM Artist of the Year. Ugoy Trilon. Juris. Sara Geronimo. Jovit Baldivino.
Parang ang hirap naman mag-decide sino OPM artist kasi lahat ng OPM artist natin ay deserving na magkaroon ng award. Kaya para i-announce kung sino ang nanalo, go Aaron!
Alright? For the Choice OPM Artist of the Year, congratulations to Sara Geronimo.
The Pop Star Princess. The Box Office Queen. The Record Breaker. Idol. She may be known by many names, but only one name shines brightly above the rest. Yan ay si Sara. Sa dami na ng kanyang narating, mula sa kanyang unang panalo hanggang sa pinakahuli niyang blockbuster, malayo pa ang gustong marating ng kanyang bituin. Patuloy pa rin nating makikita ang kanyang pagdingning at pagsika. Ano man ang kanyang maabot, kilala pa rin natin siya sa isang pangalan na lagi nating tatandaan. Sara.
Maraming salamat po sa Kabarkada Choice Award at sa lahat po ng bumoto po para sa akin bilang OPM Artist of the Year. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Ipapasalamat po ako sa Popsters. Maraming salamat. Nabati ko po ang The Rap ng Happy First Anniversary. Congratulations guys. For Tower! And to accept the award for Sara Geronimo is MC Mozo, the Assistant General Manager for Viva Records. In behalf of Sara Geronimo, it's a pleasure for me to accept this Barkada Choice Award for the Best OPM Artist of the Year. To all of our supporters and fans, maraming salamat po to The Rap and Studio 23. Mabuhay ang Filipino music. Mga rappers, put your hands together for the Star Power's first ever female pop star grand champion, and Zoe Chico. I just want to James and Phil Husband, magkakaasaran on stage. Sino ang unang mapipitol?
Thank you and I enjoy have a shot at the water.
Plus, tatlong bigating awards, ipamimigay. Sino ang makakakuha ng Choice Female Icon, Choice Love Team, at Choice Breakthrough Award? Magkukulitan at magkakaalaman na sa pagbabalik ng Studio 23's First Barkada Choice Award.